to Manufacturing Month 2025.
Manufacturing Month is such a special time because there's so many things happening. Throughout the month we're having tours. They're coming into these beautiful facilities and they're hearing about not just being a number on an assembly line that's checking boxes, that they're really part of a great organization.
The great thing about manufacturing, you can start immediately right out of high school and they'll pay for all of your education and you can go right to work earning dollars, or you can go get a degree and then go into manufacturing. I've been doing this for 24 years. It's never been more exciting to be in manufacturing, to see what's transpiring.
We really enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun, to be honest. To get kids involved in manufacturing at any level is super satisfying. And then showing them the opportunities, whether it's an apprenticeship or working as a technician or an operator, the opportunities that this provides to them and to their future families.
Participating in Manufacturing Month is super important. Manufacturing has so many avenues that young adults can explore.
As a high-tech manufacturer, this is something we're really passionate about, is connecting with the community and getting particularly our young students engaged in manufacturing careers.
We really welcome bringing folks in. Manufacturing isn't a dirty place. It's bright, it's clean, it's welcoming.
Working with MACNY and visiting some of these sites, we've done it a couple of years now out of our high school. No kids have ever come back and said that it wasn't beneficial for them to see what has been offered.
It adds another layer to their education. And now they're more passionate about coming back to the classroom and actually learning more about semiconductors, microchips.
They were pretty excited to be here for sure. It just ties what we're doing in education to real world.
One of the things I try to get the students to understand is like how process flows in manufacturing, and it was kind of nice for the kids to see that firsthand.
It's like more organized than I thought. There was like a lot of stuff I seen that's new.
While I'm walking around, I'm like, oh, I learned about this in class. I learned this on this field trip. I learned this on that field trip. It's really helping.
It allowed me to see what actually goes on, because I was very unsure of what the work environment really is, things they actually do, and yeah, I love it.
I personally want to go into engineering, and I can definitely see myself working at a facility like this.
It would be pretty cool, like just working here, working with all the machines and learning how to work on them.
It was a unique experience. I haven't seen anything or done anything like it. I definitely think that's something I want to look into as I go out into the real world.
It's important to expose students to what they're currently learning in school and having a real-life, real-world application. Sheds a new light for a lot of students that this is something that can be really cool, really fun, and really rewarding.
We try to open our doors so that people can see that maybe I can do manufacturing.
Manufacturing is on the rise throughout the country and throughout our state. Getting students involved in companies and seeing how it's done is truly remarkable, and it changes lives.